Want this blended watermark text in your edits without using any plugins? Before the video gets started, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any tutorials or edits. So let's jump right into the tutorial. Get your clips ready. Check the resolution of your scene pack from the project panel. Click on your timeline and press Ctrl+K to open the composition setting. Change the resolution to match your scene pack resolution and press OK. Align your clip and scale it so there are no black borders. Now pre-compose the layer with the checkbox ticked. Now change your composition resolution back to your edit resolution and fit the layer to fill the composition. Double click on your pre-comp layer to go inside the layer. Now create a text layer with your channel name. Turn on 3D mode on your text layer. Then align and rotate your text so it matches the background. Add drop shadow and copy my settings. Then add Gaussian blur and copy the setting as well. Now change the color of your text to match the background of your clip. And set the blend mode to overlay. Go to the tracker panel and click on the track motion button and track something from the background that isn't your character, just like I did here. Click edit target, select your text layer, click apply and select X and Y option. Now create a null layer and parent your text layer to it. Align the text position using the null layer. Now come back to your main composition and track your character like you always do. I'm playing around with the null layer so the watermark isn't too far outside of the edit. Once everything looks good, come back to your main composition. Add motion tile to remove the black borders. Now pre-compose the layer again and add Pixter effect. Check the FPS of your scene pack and enter the same value into the texture and copy the settings. And that's it. Now your edits will not get stolen. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. Please hype this video so it gets recommended to more beginner editors and help them learn. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.